Script: Shohin Bonsai, tiny trees, big art. Intro shot: close-ups of your hands, gently adjusting a tiny Shohin Bonsai. Welcome back to the channel, bonsai lovers. Today we're diving into the miniature world of Shohin Bonsai. Tiny trees with massive character. Footage of various bonsai trees. Bonsai is the ancient Japanese art of growing miniature trees in containers, capturing the beauty of nature in a small, living sculpture. The word bonsai means planted in a tray, but it's so much more than just planting a tree in a pot. It's about patience, care, and storytelling through nature. Now, Shohin Bonsai takes this concept even smaller. Shohin means a small thing in Japanese, and these little trees must be under 20 centimeters, or about 8 inches, when fully styled. They can fit in the palm of your hand, but they still hold the same dramatic presence as their larger cousins. Not all trees are suited for Shohin size, but here are a few great options. Japanese maple, Acre palmatum, delicate leaves and strong seasonal color. Trident maple, Acre burgeriana, small leaves and powerful roots. Chinese elm, Ulmus parvifolia, fast growing and easy to shape. Junipers like Shimpaku, hardy, flexible, and classic bonsai favorites. You want trees with small leaves, short internodes, and good ramification. Here are a few care basics to keep your Shohin healthy. Watering. These tiny pots dry out fast, especially in summer. Check daily, sometimes twice. Sunlight. Shohin loves sunlight, but they can dry out quicker than bigger trees. Morning sun and afternoon shade is a good balance. Fertilizer. Use a mild, balanced fertilizer, smaller doses more often. Pruning and pinching. Keep growth in check and promote a fine branching. You'll be pruning more often due to fast growth in small pots. Repotting. Every 1-2 years, depending on species. Root space is limited. So there you have it. The beauty and challenge of Shohin Bonsai. Tiny trees, big impact. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe for more bonsai tips, tree profiles, and hands-on techniques. Let's grow together.